Hi guys, welcome back to the channel for all things metal roofing in North and South Carolina. I'm Audrey with Gator Metal Roofing, and today we're speaking with a recent customer of Gator Metal Roofing. If you guys like this type of content, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. So guys, today we're in Raleigh, North Carolina, and we're speaking with Mr. Voke. How are you doing today?
Fine, thank you.
Awesome. So super excited to be here. Mr. Voke, tell us what made you get a Gator Metal Roof?
Got a great price on the product, and then once we got through the process of getting the permit and the install crew, those guys really did a fantastic job. I couldn't be happier. They were extremely detail oriented. They were able to, my roof is somewhat complicated, so they were able to really adjust and even build out some of the underlay.
Yeah.
And I was very happy with the quality.
Awesome, that is so exciting. And you mentioned permits and a complicated roof. Your roof is pretty large and it's in a historic neighborhood. So we had to go through some processes to really get your roof on correctly. But I'm glad that you had a great experience.
Yeah, in this historic neighborhood, you have to get a certificate of appropriateness, and between Gator and myself, we went through the process, and Gator was able to provide the documentation, and they, the salesperson went and talked to the historic association and trying to get the right permits in time, and that really helped actually in the process to make it go forward smoothly.
Awesome. I'm so glad you had that great experience. So your roof is a glossy black color. What made you choose that color?
My wife liked the color, That's,
yeah.
but she likes that clean look, and we'll probably repaint the house to be white, so we want that black and white look.
Yes, the contrast. It looks really good. So, Mr. Voke, your roof is complicated, and the install crews that came out had to do some special work on your roof. Can you talk to us about it?
That's right. The install crew, the lead, his name is Cesar. He did a really, my particular roof has multiple angles to it. It's not straight up and down. It flattens out at the bottom, and he was able to really do some special custom fitting to make the inbuilt gutters work. And then even areas that were flat roof or weren't able to be initially done, they were able to build out especially the custom framing underneath and to make it work. His crew was extremely detail oriented and diligent, and I was very impressed by the quality and the communication between not just his crew and building this out, but also with the install manager.
We're glad that you had that amazing experience. About how long did the install take?
It took quite a while. It took 2.5 weeks to install.
Wow.
And part of that was that complicated aspect. I mean, they spent about 2 days doing the demo of the old, and then they spent 2 or 3 days really building up the new underframe and laying down the underlay. Once they came and they brought the metal, the rest of the time was spent install. And it was extremely detail oriented. You could see it piece by piece being put together. Coming in and out, they were extremely diligent. They came in 7:30 every morning, and they were out at 5 o'clock every evening. But you hardly knew they were there, which was great. That's
great. So being that you live in a historic home, how old is this home?
This home is 153 years old.
Wow. Do you have any idea, any estimate of how many roofs have been on this home?
No, but I think the roof that we just had replaced, the estimates are, because there were so many layers of kind of patching on top of it.
Yeah.
It could be 70 or 80 years old,
wow.
This roof. So we're very happy actually that we chose the Gator Elite model, because this roof is going to last probably for a very long time.
Yes.
And it looks really sharp, especially in this neighborhood.
Absolutely, and it's backed with our lifetime warranty. Did you get any other estimates for roofing?
I got some smaller estimates for parts of the roof, and actually just the back area, which was really the impetus to get the roofing replaced. But the cost of doing the overall roof was so competitive that I decided to just go ahead and do the whole roof instead of just a partial roof.
Nice. Competitive as in you got a great deal?
I got a great deal.
Awesome. Did you use financing with Gator?
I did. The process was super easy to do, and it was quick, and efficient, and I like the the terms were good.
Awesome. Mr. Voke, would you recommend Gator Metal Roofing to your friends and family?
Yes, I would.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for taking the time to speak with us.
Thank you. Pleasure to see you.